Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Warrant to Step, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can add highlights without adding to your story on PC. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, just open up Instagram on your Google Chrome on your laptop. And after that, you just have to go onto your profile, which is on the left side of your screen. And after going onto profile, you can see the option of new here. If you click on this plus icon, you can see you need to rename or name your new highlights. It can be anything of your own choice. After that, click on next. And now there's an option for stories. Now you can just select any stories that you want to keep in highlights without adding to your story. And that's how you can add to highlight without adding to your story on Instagram from your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful on how you can add highlights to your Instagram without adding to your story. Hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.